Hi beautiful people, thank you for clicking on this video. For today's show and tell, I'll be reviewing the melted hairline lace front wig in the style Martina in the color 1B. So if you want to see this, please keep watching. Hi guys, so this is Outré's melted hairline lace front wig in the style Martina in the color 1B. So I know I'm behind the gun. You've probably already seen reviews and show and tells on Martina. However, I purchased her a while back and she was still in the box, so I decided why not go ahead and style her and do a show and tell from my own experience. Everybody's experience is different, so I just wanted to give you how I feel about her. For her, throwing her on, she was very big on my head, almost to the point where the tabs were past my ears and over my ears. So I had to kind of pull her back a little bit. So if you have a smaller head, my head is a medium, then you might have an issue with that, because I couldn't really glue her down, because every time I tried to glue her, it just kind of pulled back a little bit. Other than that, I think that is the only con I have about this unit. Other than her being too big for my head. So big head girls, she is great for you. She will work. The style is gorgeous. I really like the fact that when I cut her, I didn't get too much shedding. She does not tangle. She's not too long, so she would be a great kind of spring, summer, fall wig. And you always want to get as many seasons out of her as you can. She's shorter, She comes just past my shoulders, which to me is really a good length. She's not too long, she's not too short. She can be a day or night wig. For me, I think it was really beginner friendly because the HG lace was perfect. Easy to cut. I cut it quickly. Easy to melt. Really, you really can't tell. She's really beautiful. The style for me is like a silk press or silk wrap, they call it. I think she's really pretty. The density on her, she has thickness. She thick, but she pretty. And I like how she's cut a little bit in layers to frame your face. So if you like Miss Martina, I'll put everything in the description box for her. I did use my black got to be glue, and like I tell you always, be really sparing with this because a little goes a long way. I also used something different this time to put in my hairline, which if we're skin twins, I use the Maybelline Fit Me Poreless Powder and 330 Toffee. What else? I think that's about it. So I also used the Care styling wax to keep the flyaways down. But you know, other than that, I think she's really beautiful. Let me give you a 360. This is the top of her. This is her on the left side. This is her on the right side. This is her in the back. So, Martina is beautiful. I will purchase her again in a heartbeat. I think I purchased her from wigtypes.com, but I'll have a link in the description box for her. And if you like her, please click the link. Anyway, guys, like, share, and subscribe. Join the family. I'm friendly here. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.